Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Syakira Salwa Amanja from K3 class, and today I'm going to present my basic reading midterm project where I will analyze one maritime text using three reading strategies. The first is skimming, the second scanning, and the last one is inference. So the text I chose is titled "There is Hope for Indonesian Coral Reefs." This article tells about Indonesian coral reefs, one of the most biodiverse marine ecosystems in the world, and the author journey discovering hope through ocean conversation. So first, I will demonstrate about skimming, which means reading quickly to find the main ideas of each paragraph. So, in the first paragraph, I found the author introduced Indonesian coral reefs connects them to the idea of hope for the ocean. I use yellow color for highlight about the skimming I found. The second paragraph talk about the contrast between global environmental destruction and the beauty of Indonesian seas, which give optimism for the future. And the third paragraph tells about the author 12 days journey exploring coral reefs and seeing conservation efforts. The fourth paragraph describes about famous coral destinations such as Raja Ampat, Komodo, and the Spice Island, and also mention the best time to visit each. The fifth paragraph introduces about the Coral Triangle Center in Bali and that helps protect coral reefs. The last paragraph highlights Raja Ampat as a biodiversity treasure and symbol of hope for the next generation. So, for skimming, I found that the main idea of this text is Indonesian coral reefs represent both natural beauty and hope for the world marine conservation. Next, I will continue with scanning. Like we know, scanning means reading to find specific data like dates, number, and names. So from the text, I use green color for highlight the scanning. I found several important data. In paragraph 1, I found the ocean covers 71% of the Earth's surface and containing 19.7% of the Earth's water. The second paragraph, the country which covers more than 17,000 islands and has a coastline of some 57 kilometers, has at least 25,900 square kilometers of coral reefs, which is 8% of the world coral reefs. So I found the best time to go to Komodo National Park is June to September. For the Spice Island are October and November, and for Raja Ampat, the author recommend to traveling between November and March. Marine species I found from the text more than 1,000 species such as wobbegon sharks and giant clams. Main conversation central is a coral triangle center in Bali. From this data show how rich and important Indonesian coral reefs are for the global ecosystem. Okay, next, I will move to inference, which means finding the hidden message or cultural value in this text. From article, I can infer that Indonesian culture is strongly connected to the sea. The article reflects environmental awareness sustainability, and respect for nature as part of Indonesian identity. The moral value that I learned is that protecting the ocean is not only a scientific responsibility but also a cultural one. It teaches us to appreciate nature as a gift that's life and hope for the next generation. Now, finally, I will share my reflection on this project. When I analyzed the text, the challenge I faced was distinguishing between skimming and scanning, because both require fast reading but have different purpose. Skimming helped me to understand the general idea from the text, while scanning helped me find important facts and data more efficiently. Through inference, I learned how to find deeper meanings, not just what the text says, but what it implies. I also realized that Indonesian maritime culture is something we should be proud of. This take reminded me that reading is not only about understanding English, but also about appreciating our environment and identity as a maritime nation. Doing this UTS project helped me improve my reading comprehension, critical thinking, and presentation skill. Thank you very much for watching my presentation. Have a wonderful day, everyone.